Hello, my name is Amanda Melcher and I am an assistant librarian at Jernigan Library. Today, I'll briefly show you how to search for an article in the database ScienceDirect. To access it, start by going to the library's homepage, lib.tamuk.edu. From our homepage, look to the upper left of your screen and click on the link that says Online Resources. All of our online databases are organized in two ways, alphabetically with letter tabs at the top, and by subject on the right. ScienceDirect begins with the letter S, so I'll go ahead and click the letter S tab. Once I find my database, I'll click on its name. The database features several boxes to type in your search terms or concepts. So if you're looking for works about cultural anthropology and linguistics, you simply type in each term or each concept in the box marked Find Articles with these terms. Then, connect the terms with a Boolean operator written in all caps. In this case, I'll use the operator AND between anthropology and linguistics. Now that I've typed in my terms and my operator, I'll go ahead and click the search button. The database will then show you a list of all its contents that contain the two terms you searched for. To access any article, click on its title. You'll be taken to the article record. This section provides author listings, publication information, and an abstract, as well as recommended articles. You can download the PDF of the article by clicking on the Download PDF link near the top of your screen. This has been a brief tutorial in using ScienceDirect. If you need further assistance, please browse related videos or contact the library's reference desk at 361-593-3319. Thank you.